In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest Apache OpenOffice review. So if you're looking for a completely free Office suite and you're wondering if OpenOffice is worth using, here's exactly what you need to know. Now, Apache OpenOffice is a 100% free and open source Office suite, and it focuses on productivity, privacy, and local data control, with no subscriptions and no hidden costs. Now, once you install OpenOffice, you get 6 main applications, which are Writer for documents, Calc for spreadsheets, Impress for presentations, Draw for graphics, Base for databases, and Math for formulas. So you can handle almost all everyday Office tasks in one package. Now, one of the biggest advantages of OpenOffice is that it's completely free for life. So there are no license fees, no monthly payments, and you can use it for personal, educational, or commercial purposes. Now, the software runs locally on your computer, which means your files stay on your device and you're not forced to upload anything to the cloud, which is great if you care about privacy. Now, for everyday use, like writing documents, making spreadsheets, or creating presentations, OpenOffice works very well, and it can save files in Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint formats, which makes sharing documents easy. Now, personally, it's a great alternative to Microsoft Office for school and university work because it's clean, simple, and gets the job done without costing anything. Now, there are some downsides you should know about. Now, OpenOffice is not ideal for business database work because the base application is very basic compared to tools like Microsoft Access, and it's not suitable for serious enterprise or database-heavy tasks. Now, also, the interface feels more traditional and doesn't get updates as frequently as some modern Office suites. Now, in simple terms, OpenOffice is perfect if you want a free, simple, and reliable Office suite for school, home, or everyday tasks. But it's not the best choice if you need advanced business database tools or enterprise features. And that's it. That's the honest Apache OpenOffice review. If this helped you, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.